in the 17th century, folk poetry, and used to be considered pagana, the Lutheran in the Lutheran Reformation. And this particular collection in that room is song number 1 of 50. I ordained the mirror of the universe. And then this is the one that say, come on, my friend, listening to the song of Kalevala. And I did this when I was in Wales, in the Chesapeake. This is the Rappahannock River. And then you see the primitive people in the fire listening to Bainomen. And then you came here.
Yeah, I like it. It's real nice, very nice.
And the story said that the youngest daughter of the air was very close to the waters. And they are like Romeo and Juliet, water and air. So this is the web in the water, the male interpretation. And they say when she was so close to the water, she was boring, she had nothing to do, muy aburrida. So she came to the water and then he saw her and became a big storm. And the winds and the waves concealed her. And she had to stay forever in the water.
Another triptych here.
Yeah, another triptych. Yeah. And then when she was concealed by the water, she had to stay forever. Wherever she moved, you can fall into the water. And many years later, she said, Father, what happened? Why is my life like this? And he said a tale, un pato, una pata, and she was crying, well, I cannot build my house, nothing, sorry. So she had compassion and put her leg up, and with the hair gave a nest, and laid down 7 eggs. 6 were gold, and 1 was an iron egg. My youngest, about 3 years old, she do the interpretation of Kalevala. And then after 3 days of incubation, was so much heat that she had to put the leg down, and the nest went down and broke in so many pieces. And from the iron egg, the egg went up and became the moon. The yolk became the sun, and the little pieces became the stars and the constellation. So this is the beginning of the universe. And after, they say, the poem says 16 years later, she said, hey, I had to do something. And they said, she raised from the center of the water, and wherever she was, going, she was living the beaches and the mountains and she created the earth. And this piece is the birth of Bainomen, that was his name, like Jesus, And the poem says that he was born with his first left leg, first sunset. But we go now from this corner to that big painting.
Okay.
We studied the Organization of American States do auctions.
Oh, yeah, they have a nice museum here.
Yeah. And I was there, in fact, our first auction, another artist from Cuba, was the best sold, and then I was the second one that sold in the painting that I called a clover, but the clover had the Christ in the clover, that's the crucifixion. And then, from that moment, all of these people, they wanted to do for the Holy Week a recollection of several paintings about the Holy, the Semana Santa. Can you read, please? I'm sorry, so to you to read my interpretation because I don't remember, I don't can say the story.
This is my biblical interpretation of the Holy Trinity, Father, Son, and Holy Ghost.